you're watching Win-Win Power News. Ahead in the program, we'll take a look at one of the leading companies which is showcasing its products at Elecrama. Electrical and Electronics Division (EBD) is one of the core businesses of Larsen & Toubro Limited, which is India's largest engineering and construction conglomerate. L&T showcased its integrated solutions capability in electrical and automation space at Elecrama 2010. L&T's theme of integrated solutions was exemplified with a display of some of the latest and robust electrical and automation products, live demonstration of solutions and panels highlighting application in different business verticals.
Larsen & Toubro Limited showcased its wide array of electrical products, systems and solutions at Elecrama 2010 in Mumbai. The display comprised a mixture of new concepts in low voltage, medium voltage switchboards, air circuit breakers with higher ratings, automation expertise in industrial domain, new range of panel meters and meter data acquisition solution, as well as products and comfort solutions for commercial and residential buildings. The switchgear basket contains U-Power Omega series air circuit breakers in the range of 400 ampere to 6300 ampere. High withstand capacity up to 100 kiloampere are equipped with matrix protection and control units, offering complete modularity. The switchboards display include new concepts in low voltage distribution through TERA. These new concepts can offer savings to customers in terms of safety, low maintenance time and lesser damage to the environment. Also being showcased was M-Comp, which would offer remote control of substation at an affordable cost. L&T has launched its new range of panel meters, Vega, that includes single function meters, VAF meters and multi-function meters. The range includes single phase meters as well as three-phase meters in 96 into 96 and 48 into 96 sizes. Also showcased is the meter data acquisition solution in line with the RAP-DRP scheme, which is a plug-and-play configurable solution. This gives the utility the flexibility to choose between a centralized or distributed data acquisition system.
Well, L&T has been a major player in transmission and distribution segments for many decades in India, and its participation at this event is an expression of commitment to the growth of power sector. To talk in detail about L&T's new offering in EBG segment, we have with us Mr. R.N. Mukhija, President Operations and Member of the Board, Larsen & Toubro. Very good evening, Mr. Mukhija.
Good evening.
First, tell us what are the new products L&T is showcasing in this year's Elecrama, and is there any new offering in medium voltage range?
When we participate in one Elecrama, we start preparing for the next one. And one of the preparation, actually major preparation, is as to what new we will exhibit. So 2 years efforts, and we are now exhibiting in this today's Elecrama in the standard product area a whole range of new circuit breakers called Omega from 400 amps to 6300 amps. Air circuit breakers with the electronic release of the highest complexity and also modularity. And we are also exhibiting our MCCBs up to 1600 amps, both 3-pole and 4-pole. We are also exhibiting new contactors up to 110 amps, and these contactors are actually designed and the looks are non-conventional. The first time anybody in the world is showing contactors with a non-conventional, beautifully designed looks of the contactors. So we have these in the standard products. We are also exhibiting our capability in automation in the home automation, and we are also showing various other improvements in the products. In the standard products area, we are showing our new switchboard design, which is more efficient design and it is environment friendly as well. And we are also showing the MV products. You said new. The new products are GIS and some of these products in the MV area. We also have a lot of information about our capability in the automation area.
Okay, what new business opportunities or deals have you targeted or wanted to explore during this expo?
Actually, it is not that we think of specific business volume coming out of this. We think of this as a platform to showcase our capabilities to all the visitors. We invite our customers. So it is just to reinforce in the minds of our customers that we provide them most innovative and good solutions for them.
Next, I'd like to know what is the revenue target in the current year and how much is expected from export?
We will do as a group, that is the electrical and electronics group, which includes TEMCO, which includes our China activities, which includes our Middle East activities. All together we'll do close to 3,700 crores this year, which would be about 12-13% growth over the previous year. And in that we will have, I think if we include the TEMCO component, which is included in 3,700, we will be around 22% outside India.
Mr. Mukhija, as the economy is showing improvement, what growth you are expecting from the L&T's electrical business unit, and what could be the proportion of domestic and international revenue?
We have grown in the last 5 years around 21-22% CAGR, including the dip we have seen in the last two years, a bit dip. And the next 5 years we think we should grow minimum 22-23% CAGR. So that could be 3 years or 5 years. We'll see around that much growth, 22 and 23% CAGR.
Thank you, Mr. Mukhija, for talking to us.
My pleasure. Thank you for.
Here we'll take a short break. Keep watching Win Win Avenue.